No. Oh, the news.
Hello everybody. There's a blizzard outside, so for you birds out there, watch the hell out.
A blizzard? What? Oh, come on. I want to watch the news. Come on. Wi-Fi. Internet. Data. Where the power went off. At least the internet went out. God damn it. Ah! Iceberg! Oh, ha 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 ha. I was not hurt. Ha 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 ha.
Shut up.
We don't know the voices of all of you, do we?
No, we don't.
B, why are we even doing this? Come on. Well, you sound like Bowser, so what do you sound like? Oh, look outside. Ha 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 ha. Anyway, wait, why did I look outside? Blackbird, why'd you throw a remote at us? Because the internet went out. Again. And the cable, too? Yeah. See how the power is outside. How that power is outside? What the hell do you mean? Oh, please, he's not exaggerating. It's just oh. Well, okay, I can't open the window because I don't have any arms. But, oh my god, Blackbird, you were right. Jeez, Blackbird, you really were right. No, I was. Oh. Anyways, we got a store for the winter. It already is winter. It's February. What day is it? February 3rd. Damn, we uploaded like 2 videos a day, don't we? Not 2 videos a day. 1 video every 2 days. Huh. We should change it to 3 days. We really should. So you're probably seeing this on the February 4th. Yeah, you guys probably are. Anyways, where's the rest of the birds at?
Well, I don't really know.
Is that your new voice?
Yeah, it is. I think they migrated to,
what's that place called again? Florida?
Yeah, Florida.
Well, we got a sucker for that blizzard.
What are you supposed to do, Red?
It's a blizzard. You can't really do anything. I say we can do something. Ha 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 ha. Do you ever shut up? Hey, give me one of those cheese crackers. Anyways, let's go back to someone normal.
Yeah, I'm gonna hop in the shower.
Where's Morton?
I don't know, he's out.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna go take a bath. Where's my crackers? Where's my crackers? Crackers! Yum, yum, yum. Anyways, Iceberg, do you want to go out there? Wait, really? Yeah. Let's go. Wow. It's like 2 feet of snow out here. Didn't the news say birds weren't supposed to go out? Ha ha ha. Yeah, well, I don't care about that, so come on. I believe him. Yes, I'm going back to my normal voice. Yeah. Oh man, it's really coming down hard. Sure you shouldn't go back inside? Yeah, I'm sure. Alright. Come on. I think I'm gonna stay up here for a little while. Alright, scaredy cat. I'm gonna make a bird angel. I'm not sure if that's a bird angel or I just went around the snow. I think it's the both. Oh man, it's so cold. I feel like, Red, no! Guys! Wow, he's back in his normal voice. Guys, please help Red. What happened? He went too far in the snow. He's a bird. Like, you're an ice cube. Of course you're supposed to be out there. Why the hell did he go out there? I don't know, he's bored. It's a blizzard outside. Ugh. I'll get Dr. Toad. Alright. Well, you're smarter than my last group. Who was your last group? Iggy and Morton. Of course it was. What happened here? Well, he went out in the snow. You called me when it's a blizzard outside and it's 27 degrees out. Yeah. For something that he did. Yeah. I'm leaving. Wait, no, please don't. Well, time to go to bed. Bedtime? You were faking it, you weren't you? Yep. That's $2,000 down the drain.